Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and you're entering the Glam Room. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for coming back. It really means a lot. Today I have something special in my mini tutorial. I wanted to give a shout out to one of my sisters in Slay. Her name is Cami Taught You. Well, that's not her name, but that is her screen name on all of her socials, so make sure you go and follow her. She did a look a long time ago that I saw on Snapchat, and I just loved it so much, so I decided to take my own little interpretation of it while giving her a shout out so that you guys can go and follow her on her page, because we are both starting in this YouTube thing together. We started our pages around the same time, and we're both pretty talented, so you should be following both of us. Anyway, let me shut up now so that we can get to the break, so we can get into this tutorial so it can still be made. Just like my last tutorial, we're going to start with this side already completed, and we're going to make this eye look exactly like this one. I'll be using the Sephora Collection Pro Pigment Warm Palette to be completing this look today. We're first going to pick up Terracotta, and we're going to put that in our crease and blend it out towards our brow bone. On that same brush, I'm picking up Cocoa to put directly into my crease. We're also using this for the outer V color. Going back over top of that Cocoa with Terracotta to blend out the harsh line. I'm going to be using Sandstone above this to blend into the brow bone. So we're doing a half cut crease today, and because the inner corner is really bright, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly to help bring brightness back to my lower lid. Alright, so now on our BH Cosmetics flat shader brush, I am going to pick up Canvas, which is this bright shade right here. Now we're putting down Biscotti. Then we are putting down Adobe. And then finally back in with Terracotta. Now all we have to do is make sure they blend well. The shadow work is finished. We're going to define the cut crease with the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the shade Crystalline Gold, and wing it out with the e.l.f. Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black. I'm putting on the Neme Beauty Rose Lashes. While I was waiting for my lashes to dry, I added Cocoa and Terracotta to my lower lash line and blended that out. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Please do not forget to like this video down at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026. And please do not forget to follow Cami. Her link is below this video in the description box. Follow her on Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and on Twitter. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.